Hello, welcome back to ANCG Max. Today we are looking at one Olympiad problem. Given A1 is equal to 2021, n is greater than or equal to 1, an plus 1 is equal to square root of 4 plus an. A5 is given as root of m plus root n by 2 plus root of m minus root n by 2, where m and n belongs to positive integers. Now find the value of 10m plus n. As you are going to solve this problem, pause the video for 10 seconds and try it. Okay, and also if you are new to the channel, please subscribe the channel and give it a thumbs up. It will appreciate us to make more videos. More than 1000 Olympiad and logical problems are uploaded in this channel. Please go through them. Thank you. So here logic is there. That's why this problem is selected. Okay, this type of problems you cannot see in any other channel. A1 is equal to 2021 now, and A2 will be square root of 4 plus 2021. According to the condition, you will get square root of 2025. You will get 45. Next, A3 will be 4 plus 45. Square root of 4 plus 45. Square root of 49, you will get 7. Now A4 will be 4 plus 7, square root of 4 plus 7, you will get root 11. In the same way, A5 is equal to square root of 4 plus root 11. Square root of 4 plus root 11. So this value is given in the problem. A5 is equal to square root of m plus root n by 2 plus square root of m minus root n by 2. So this value is equal to square root of 4 plus root 11. Now this can be written as square root of m plus root n plus square root of m minus root n is equal to multiplying with root 2. So root 8 plus root 44 will get root 8 plus root 44. Now squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides, m plus root n, m minus root n plus 2 root of m square minus n square is equal to 8 plus root 44. 8 plus root 44 square to n square root n cancel. 2m plus 2 root of here m minus n. M square minus n is equal to 8 plus root 44. Now by comparison, or you can take 2 common, m plus root of m square minus n is equal to 4 plus root 11. From this you can write m is equal to 4 and m square minus n equal to 11. Here 16. 16 minus n equal to 11. That implies n is equal to 5. Now he is asking to find the value of 10m plus n. That is the required value here. So 10 into m means 4 plus n is 5. So the answer is 45. I hope you understood the video. Thank you for watching INCG Max Olympiad. If you like the video, subscribe the channel and share the video to your friends. Once again, thank you for watching INCG Max Olympiad.